63 years old lady undergoes axillary clearance for the breast cancer. He makes steady progress. However, 8 weeks post-operatively, he still suffers from this severe shoulder pain. On examination, he is reduced both active movement and passive external rotation. What is the most likely cause? So a 63 years old patient, and she was suffering from the carcinoma of the breast and finally undergone the breast surgery, and 8 weeks post-operatively she also feels pain in the shoulder and also loss of active movement and passive movement. So this point is very important, that the patient lost both the active and also the passive movement. So active movement and passive movement loss. What may be the causes? Here the options are metastatic cancer, adhesive capsulitis, rotator cuff tear, osteoarthritis, and rheumatoid disease. So what may be the option? Here we have to keep in mind that the patient lost both active and passive movement, and there is a history of breast operation, that means the mastectomy operation. So first of all, here you can see the frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis. The frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis, what occurs? It occurs the shoulder joint capsule, they are affected in this procedure. So shoulder joint capsule, they are affected in this procedure and they become stiff due to immobility. And what is this buildup of scar tissue, the restrict movement inside the joint, resulting in pain and severely limited motion. So what happens? There is a scar tissue in this fibrous structure or joint capsule. For this condition, there is loss of movement, or there is very severe pain during the movement of the shoulder joint, and it is known as the frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis, and it usually occurs following a long-term immobilization of the shoulder joint. So let's see the frozen shoulder. The frozen shoulder is more likely in this case because the metastatic cancer can cause pain, but the movement usually not hampered by the metastatic cancer, usually may be reduced but not absent. However, passive movement are normally unaffected. In case of cancer, the passive movement usually unaffected, and present shoulder, it passes through the initial painful stage followed by period of the joint stiffness. So first of all, there is painful condition in case of frozen shoulder, and then joint stiffness develop, and physiotherapy is usually resolve this condition, and it requires longer time in this physiotherapy, and it may takes up to 2 years to complete resolve of the frozen shoulder. So here we can see the answer is the adhesive capsulitis. Why adhesive capsulitis? Because there is more both the active movement and the passive movement is lost. As there is active and passive movement lost, so this is the adhesive capsulitis. On the other hand, in case of metastatic cancer, though active movement sometimes lost, but passive movement always present. In case of rotator cuff tear, what occurs? It occurs only the supination power. It occurs only the supraspinatus. So in case of shoulder abduction past 15 degree, it is affected by the rotator cuff tear, and also the osteoarthritis. In osteoarthritis, there is joint pain, that there is no movement compromisation, and also the rheumatoid disease. It may affect the joint, but the movement is not lost. So our answer is the adhesive capsulitis, and there is a history of the breast cancer surgery. So as it is breast cancer surgery and axillary clearance done, so in case of pain in the shoulder joint, the patient usually doesn't move the shoulder joint, and for this condition, as the immobility, the joint become stiff, and it is the most common complication of the breast cancer surgery. It is the most common complication. Thank you.